So I'm in the Thermodyne booth with Mario. What's your last name, Mario?
Tosta.
Cool. And I guess Thermodyne is a manufacturer of equipment cases.
Yes, we custom manufacture shipping cases.
Okay, now, you guys customize like the outside sizes as well, or just the inside foam?
We have over 500 sizes available from our factory. In addition to that, we do the custom design, the custom cutout of the foam as well.
Okay.
You just tell us the type of equipment you have, make and model, we'll do all the work on it, look up dimensions, and we'll do the custom cutout for you.
Now, I guess the custom cutout process, like, is it like very, very expensive, or is it included with a case?
It's part of the case price. You buy a case, it includes foam, and we'll do all the rest for you. No additional charge for a custom cutout.
Wow, that's incredible. Awesome. Let's take a look at one of your cases.
Sure.
Do you have a favorite case here that you like showing off, or?
You know, they're all. We can go over this case right here. This is the case that we make for a Panasonic camera.
Okay. Which camera would this be for, actually?
I don't know.
Kind of like a HPX 700 or something?
Yeah, it's about an HPX around that for a larger body.
Yeah.
We have all the templates from the factory, and we use a softer foam for delicate equipment.
Okay. So it's a bit softer than some of the other ones you have here. Yeah.
Yep.
Can you tell me about this outside material? Because I'm not gonna hide the fact that I'm trying to compare this to what's available from like Pelican or the new.
Sure.
Like, I'm noticing it sounds hollower kind of in a way.
Yeah. We use military grade plastic.
Okay.
It won't crack, won't fade. If you're shipping, you get grease, oil, gasoline on it, it'll wipe right off and it won't penetrate the plastic.
Okay, wow.
In addition to that, we have an aluminum profile that goes along with it. It allows it to be air and water tight.
Okay, but I mean, Pelican has an air watertight case, though, don't they? That's nothing special in the industry. What's so special about why the aluminum fitting?
Well, the aluminum fittings, because when you get into hot and cold air, you'll lose pressure.
Okay. So is it a cargo hold or a plane?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep. Or if it's hot and cold and it starts to rain and you take on water will get inside, say, a Pelican case. Whereas Thermodyne case, you won't take water.
Okay, awesome. Can you just show me the movement involved in locking this case?
Sure. All of our hardware is still replaceable, and it's all spring loaded. So all you do is, this is unlatched, close the lid, pull it up, let the hook catch there, and then twist.
Okay.
And you're latched.
Cool. I guess in terms of weight too, and I was I wasn't scientifically weighing the case, but just kind of feeling them and comparing them to similar size cases. Say to some of the other plastic case manufacturers, and noticing your cases are a bit lighter.
Sure.
What makes them lighter? Is it just because of the plastic being used? Or?
The plastic and the aluminum profile, as well as we have the ability to take our foreign parts and we can trim them. We can trim them so they can be low profile, or we can go real deep if we need to.
Okay. So I guess the customization ensures that your case is not bigger than it has to be.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
You're not carrying, if you don't need the extra size, you're not carrying the excess weight. You're carrying exactly what you need.
I guess going with another case manufacturer too, do they have custom foam options usually, or?
I'm not sure. I believe they use a pick and plug type foam. However, we don't. All of our foam is cut from solid blocks of foam.
Okay.
Pick and plug tends to break down, doesn't absorb shock, and it gets in your equipment rather fast.
Right. I've had pick and plug before, and it kind of disintegrates in the corners.
Yeah. Yep.
So, okay. Awesome. There was actually another foam, and actually Scott had mentioned here. I hope this. I just want to kind of just see inside this case here. I'm noticing there are a bunch of different foams that are all used to kind of create this one entire foam structure.
This is the case we make for JVC. It's a Pro HD. It's what we call it's an upright camera case. So when your camera is completely assembled, all you do is drop it right on the top of the case in the upright position, and it stays protected. We use a couple different types of foam. We have an open cell foam and a closed cell foam. The softer foam we use for underneath the lens, so if it bounces around, it absorbs the shock. It doesn't hit the lens itself.
Right.
And the harder type of foam is used for the heavier the body of the camera.
So this is this feeling here. It's much harder.
Yes.
This is here. Interesting. And they're what is this?
This is an accessory bag. You can put cables, remote controls, manuals, whatever you feel necessary.
This is something that you guys put in here.
Yes. This is the design that we have done for JVC.
I guess who supplies your foam? Like, can you talk about that at all?
Oh, we don't disclose vendor
okay. No, fair enough.
information. Yeah.
I guess also speaking with Scott too, like one of the things he had mentioned was, because I think at Cynic, I noticed that there was like a foam manufacturer customizer too, and I'm noticing that they had some very interesting foam options. But I was asking him why not, like pair up with say a company that can do foam inserts for you that really specializes in the foam specifically. And
Sure.
really interesting response from them. What do you think? Why do you guys do everything in-house?
Well, we've been in business since 1958, and we have full capabilities to do everything in-house. So we choose to do everything in-house. We use all different types of foam, anywhere from anti-static, fire retardant, 2 pound, 4 pound, 6 pound, 10 pound, whatever it might be. We have access to that. So we just choose to do everything in-house. It's more controllable, and quality is better as well. We can control quality.
Does it make it faster to turn around a custom order case too? Or?
Sure, absolutely. We can turn around rather quickly. Standard lead time is typically 2 weeks. However, if you need something turned around rather quickly, let us know on the front end. We can get it to you rather quick.
Okay. So you guys have also the manufacturing capacity to handle like a turnaround order kind of.
Sure. You need something in 24 hours, 48 hours. We can surely do that.
Awesome. Okay, Mario. I think that's all the questions I have. This is awesome. Thank you.
Cool. You're very welcome.